Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk about my concept to creation and how my top 3 bestsellers were a concept, and I then created them into something that you folks can take along with you everywhere you go if you decide to purchase them. So I have Sam right here. He's actually the first inspiration sticker that I've made. So this is Sam. Oh, okay. This is Sam, and he is based off of Lord of the Rings. He is based off of Samwise Gamgee. I don't know if there's any Lord of the Rings lovers out there. His brother's name is Frodo, but he basically was sitting on a couch, really funny, and I thought it was hilarious. So I went ahead and I grabbed that picture and I imported it into Procreate, where I then went ahead and drew it, and I thought it was funny because he was sitting just like this. So I went ahead and I drew him, and I thought what would be even more funny would be him on top of a surfboard, and because he's on a surfboard, he definitely has to be in the ocean. So that's what, So that's what this photo is. This picture right here is what it's based off of. And these other 2 main sellers or best sellers that I have is the plumeria and then the hibiscus. So my process is take a lot of photos of things that I find beautiful, things that bring me joy, things that are funny. I then create them. I add my own little flair. I import them into Procreate. I then print them all myself, laminate them all myself, and then cut them all myself. So everything that I do is definitely one of a kind. It's little pieces of my heart, my life that I get to share with you folks. So I hope you folks get to enjoy it as much as I love creating it. So the story behind these 2 flowers is my boyfriend, he loves to give me flowers, and of course I love receiving them. So I go ahead and I find ones that I really love, and I go ahead and import them into Procreate. I draw them, I add my own little flair, I make sure that the colors or the way that I want it to look pops out. Of course, it's not exactly one for one. I do add my own little flair onto them as well, but the concept is there. The concept is basically photos that bring me a lot of joy, that I think is beautiful, that is based off of my everyday inspirations. So a lot of these stickers are little bits and pieces of my personality that I wanted to share with you folks. And then once I get to what I want, I finalize it, go ahead and I export them into a PNG format. From there, I send it to my laptop, which has the Silhouette Studio. And with the Silhouette Studio, it's basically a print and cut application where I get to send it to my printer. From there, I don't have to change anything, and then it goes straight to my cutter. So the printer that I use is the Epson 8550 Ecotank. And what I love about this one is that it's a lot bigger. So when I do decide to expand, I eventually want to do greeting cards and portraits or wall prints. Once I get there, I have the freedom to do so with this printer. But also what I love about it is the ink. The ink is eco-friendly, and by that I mean it's with the disposal process. It's a lot different. It uses less, it uses less ink. I don't have to go through a bunch of cartridges. I literally just basically fill as I go, which is really great. And then from there, once it's printed, I send it to my printer, and everything is printed on a matte vinyl sticker paper. And with that specific sticker paper, it's really high quality and it is waterproof, so it's super thick. And to ensure that it's really durable, I go ahead and I add an extra layer of protection, and by doing that, I laminate it. So I laminate everything myself. So that ensures that it's really weatherproof, waterproof, scratch resistant, and tear resistant. So not only are they cute by being printed on a matte vinyl sticker paper, because I chose the matte version because I think it really brings out the vibrancy of every single color. I then laminate it to ensure its durability. It does kind of give that glossy finish because I laminate it, which is great. And then from there, I go ahead and I send everything to my cutter, which is the portrait silhouette, or the silhouette portrait. And I think that has been the trickiest part of it, is just cutting it. I think it's due to my material being so thick and durable that sometimes the silhouette does have issues with cutting. Sometimes it doesn't cut along the line that I want it to. It's not as as exact as I would like it to be. So that's kind of the give and take of things. But hey, that's business. But yes, that's a quick overview of my concept to creation, of how I create my top 3 best-selling stickers and how they truly are one of a kind. If this is something that you folks enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe. It does help me a lot in ensuring that I make the right content for you folks. I just want to make sure that you guys are watching what you want to watch, and I'm creating things that you guys want to watch, and I'm creating things that I want to create. I want to make sure that our interests align, you know what I mean? So if this is something that you folks like, and if you are interested in a quick little ASMR of how I make these stickers, as well as getting them into my first boutique and going through a photo shoot, there is another video. I'll go ahead and link it here. It is a huge milestone for me. It's something that I'm very proud that I got accomplished. I started in August. I'm basically 5 months into starting my small business, and I have made a profit, and I'm very, very proud of my entire team that has helped me along the way. A special shout out to my boyfriend, my sister, my mom, and my uncle, who have helped me along the way. I couldn't have done a lot of the things that I've accomplished so far without your folks' support. So, and of course you. Hi. Of course, Mr. Salmon. If this is something that you folks like, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you folks next time. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Bye, guys.